Alright, y'all, we're going to run Miss Deborah's Kitchen Stuff. Let's copy our list and go live. At 8:01. It is 8:01. Paste our list. We have 25 spots, so we're going to need a 4 or higher on the dice. We have a 6, a 5, and a 1. Here we go for the first time. At 8:01. After the first time, there are 25 items on the list. Demetrius is on top. Cassie is on bottom. The dice, 5 and a 1, call for a 6. So here we go, still at 8:01. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. After the 5th time, there are 25 items on the list. Cheyenne is on top. Tonkanika is on bottom. We have randomized 5 times. The dice calls for a 6. Here we go for the last time at 8:02. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, spot number 9, Miss Tonkanika, you're the winner. Congratulations. There were 25 items on our list, and we randomized 6 times. The dice, 5 and 1, did call for a 6. We are done at 8:02. It is 8:02, so congratulations to spot number 9, Miss Tonkanika.